Generalized and orthogonal wave function. Since the wave function psi represents the probability of finding the particle in the volume element d tau, for the situation where the particle is bound by forces to a limited region, as we can say the electron in an atom. In such a case, the total probability of finding the particle can be written like this: psi square d tau is equal to 1. We can write integral psi star d tau over 1. Any wave function which satisfies these equations are said to be normalized wave function. In the same way, यदि दो वेव फंक्शन हो, if there are two wave functions psi I and psi j, then we can write as psi I and psi j is normalized wave function. Then it can be written like this: psi star d tau is equal to 1 and psi j star d tau over 1. If any wave function satisfy like this equation psi I star psi j d tau is equal to 0, then these two wave functions psi I and psi j are said to be mutually orthogonal. Now, operators. What is operators? An operator is a rule by means of which a given function is changed into another function. So the measurable quantities like energy, momentum, position are called observables, and each of observables has a definite operator associated with it. In this way, we can find out the operators for energy, for momentum. The energy operator, we know the Schrodinger wave equation S psi is equal to E psi. The time independent energy operator can be written E is equal to minus h cross square upon 2m del 2 plus v. In this way, we find E is equal to I h cross del upon del t. This is called energy operator. In the same way, the momentum operator, since the Schrodinger wave equation h is equal to minus h cross squared upon 2m del 2 plus v, or we can write the putting the value of h p square upon 2m plus v is equal to this. From these two relations, we find p is equal to h cross upon I del. This is called the momentum operator. Now the expectation value. In the classical mechanics, जैसा हम लोग जानते हैं कि क्लासिकल मैकेनिक्स में अगर कई ऑब्जर्वेशन होते हैं उसका हम लोग औसत निकालते हैं, उसको बोलते हैं एवरेज. In the same way, in the quantum mechanics, we the average of many observation is called by the new word expectation value. It is the average of the result of a large number of measurements on independent system. Suppose the expectation value of any quantity Fr. So the expectation value of F can be written in this form: P Fr d tau or psi star F psi d tau. From this, we can find out the expectation value of position, expectation value of energy, expectation value of momentum. So the expectation value for position can be written like this: psi star x psi d tau, energy E, putting the value of E, we get this. In the same way, the momentum operator, putting the value of P, we get this result. Now, the eigenvalue and eigenfunction. The operator P operating on same function may leave the function unchanged, but with a complex or real multiple. We can write P psi is equal to lambda psi, where psi is called the eigenfunction of operator P and the number lambda is called the eigenvalue of operator P. Now, let us a problem. Suppose an operator del upon del x operating on a function e to the power minus 4x. Then del upon del x e to the power minus 4x is equal to minus 4 e to the power minus 4x. From this equation, we can say, comparing with equation first, we can say minus 4 is the eigenvalue of operator del upon del x, and the eigenfunction is e to the power minus 4x. Hermitian operator. An operator P associated with a dynamical variable is said to be Hermitian if its average value in any state psi is real. So that the average of P or state psi is to be real, then imaginary part will be 0. Hence, condition of an operator P to be Hermitian is psi star P psi d tau is equal to P psi whole star psi d tau. In the same way, if we have two wave functions u and v are normalized wave functions, then the operator P is Hermitian if the operator satisfies this equation. U star Pv d tau is equal to P star U star V d tau. Now the Hermitian operator have two properties. Number one, the eigenvalue of each Hermitian operator is real. Let lambda be an eigenvalue of Hermitian operator P. Then the eigenvalue equation P psi is equal to lambda psi. Its complex conjugate will be this. According to condition of Hermitian operator, psi star P psi d tau is equal to this. Putting the value from equation, above equations, lambda is equal to lambda star. Since this is lambda minus lambda star is equal to 0, so lambda star is equal to lambda.